Hey everyone, it's your boy, the West End Boy, and we're out here in Kensington, Prince Edward Island, Canada today to check out a new trail I had no idea about until the wonderful Marilyn Ma told me about it yesterday. It's right here behind the rink in Kensington. It's, I think it's called the Kensington Nature Trail, and yeah, we're gonna go check it out. I've never been here before. The trail looks a little icy, so it might be a little slow going, and I'm also not sure how big the trail is, or how long it's gonna take me to do, so we'll just find out as we go. So yeah, anyways, we are gonna get out there and do some hiking, get some cardio in here at the Kensington Nature Trail. All right, see you in a bit. Peace. As you can see, there's a little bit of a pond there, but the ice on it's pretty thin. I wouldn't recommend trying to skate on that by any means, but all right, so here we go. Oh, wait. Michael, you know better, West End boy. Kensington Nature Trails. Oh yeah, here we go. We're going in, doing this raw. I've never been here before, and she's gonna be slushy. The only way I'm gonna stop this video, hopefully I'm gonna do it in one take, but if I run into anyone, I'll stop filming just because some people don't want to be on camera, and I like to respect that. So if there's a cut in the video, that's why. Look at the cute little bridge. Oh my good heart. Oh, this is great. I know there's two ways you can go, and I was told to go left, but I'm not sure at what point I go left. We will see. Look at this little sitting area over here. Looking out at the bulrushes. And they got these like little Christmas decorations and stuff floating around here. That's pretty cool. Apparently too, from what I was told, they do like nighttime hikes where like a bunch of people come here and do it all together at night under the stars. I'd like to try that sometime, so I'm gonna keep my eye out for that. Apparently there's like a Facebook page for this trail. I think it's like the Kensington Watershed group or something. But yeah, that's something I'd like to check out. I'd love to come out and try this with a bunch of people I don't know. Just think it'd be interesting to meet people with similar interests in hiking and stuff. Look at that tree. That is a freaking beautiful tree. Wow. Maybe I'll zoom out a little bit here. There we go. That's better. Now, if I fall, I give you permission to laugh, because it looks like it's slushy, but I guarantee you some of it's probably still ice. But I got the old Vessies on today, so I'm 100% waterproof. Be all good. Oh, there's a little trail here. It goes to this lonely tree. Okay. This is a neat tree. I feel like this tree has a story to tell. All right, I think this is where I take that left. I think I did it right the first time. And if I did, I definitely did. There's a bridge coming up over here. Now, this is friggin' cool, you guys. I like it too. This is gonna be a good place to bring your kids. Like, I'd like to bring my son here because the trail is wide. I find when I take my son to narrow trails, like, it's fine, but it's just so much harder to try for them to navigate, but like on a wider trail like this, just be perfect. This is extremely well maintained. I got to give my props to Kensington, man. Look at the state of this. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow. That's just awesome. And like this, look at this. Oh geez, yeah, she's slippy, and I figured it would be on the wood. But look at the state. They did a phenomenal job on this trail, you guys. This is a must check out. Wow. I'd say it's about a 70-30 chance that I fall. 70% that I fall, 30 that I don't. This is really neat. So see, as you can tell, this boardwalk just keeps going. And there's like a marsh over there. See if I can zoom into that beast. Whoa! Cool. All right. Oh, wow. Oh. And from what I know, from what I can tell, this goes in a loop. So it's not like, well, I don't think. I mean, maybe I could get lost, I suppose, but we'll find out. Interesting. So, looks. I'm gonna go right. I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna go right. I hope this is still part of the trail. Oh, wait now. Oh, look at this. I would say this is like a four-wheeler trail or something, and then it just continues on. You go on that for like a second to get to the other part of the walking trail. One recommendation to the people that are maintaining this trail, maybe just put a couple markers so people know which way to go, because like I would have followed that road right up probably had I not noticed the other footsteps in here. So that's just the only recommendation. Other than that, like, you guys are doing awesome maintaining this. This is beautiful, you guys. Sound of the leaves rustling. Doo-doo. It's slippery, but it's not too bad. But I have a tendency to be like uber clumsy. Hello, birdies. This is great. And it might have said it on the sign, but I'm not 100% sure. But if it didn't, I also recommend maybe putting on how how far the trail is, like all together for the loop. I think that would be cool, just so people get a gauge on how long it might take them or whatever. Like, people just like to know that stuff. I think it's just valuable information for hiking. Look at this little bench here. You go eat a sandwich, hanging out with the squirrels, possible coyotes, whatever roams, lurks, goes bump in the night in these woods. Oh. I like this too. They have a bunch of places like you can feed the birds, squirrels. That's pretty neat. I always like seeing that. Oh, I love this smell. It's like once it gets mild out and the snow starts kind of melting, it's like such a fresh smell. Okay, we've reached the loop here. Oh yeah, because this, well, I don't know what this is. It's something with water. Maybe the water treatment facility? I don't see any buildings. I don't know. Who knows, man? I just adventure here. So far I'm like incredibly impressed with this. This is great. If you want to just come for like a nice quick walk in the woods, wow, awesome. And in the winter, if you want to bring your toddler and your toddler doesn't want to walk the whole thing, bring his sled. A squirrel. Oh my good heart. That's the story of my life right there. I'll be in the middle of mid-sentence. Squirrel! ADHD at its finest. Look at him. Hi. Hello, Bartanian. That's what I'm going to call you. Bartanian. What's up, bud? I'm going to leave him be. Whoa! I didn't mean to zoom in there. There you go. All right, so, okay, this is odd. There was two ways I could go there, but one has tire tracks. See, this is where I'm getting confused. This is where the marking would be kind of beneficial. Oh, okay. Yeah, so there's a stop sign up there. So we do go up this way. This is the continuing of the walking path. But like I said, that would be really beneficial to have the markings there. Just a thought. Not chastising anyone or saying anything. I'm just trying to be helpful. Man, if we lived in like a place where there was wolves, I'd be like creeped out right now. But we don't. Doesn't mean that those couldn't be coyote tracks. But whatever, man. If I get eaten alive, well, at least I died doing something that I love, I guess. Oh, wow, look at this. This is pretty. It's great. This is great. I can be your hero, baby. I love these benches, like, especially for somebody who might have, like, some people when they hike and stuff like that, they get overexerted or whatever and they need to catch their breath. It's nice to have those benches every so often for people that might have that issue, so they can sit down, or just for people who just want to sit down and have their lunch in the woods. I just love it. All the smells here are unreal today. They're so unreal that they're real. And you can tell that this trail is used quite a lot. Like, I mean, clearly there was people here today, but with how flat the snow is, you can tell people have venture in here quite often, which is awesome. And I'm definitely going to take my son and my wife here because it's a good size. It's not like massive. It's a nice size. And it's not far. You don't have to drive 3 hours to get here. It's like 15 minutes from my house. By car and like traffic. I think it'd be really cool if like they did like a big thing where like people camp here or something. Like a bunch of people just go camping here one night. I don't know. Just spitting out ideas. I think. No, okay. So then it takes you back to this road. Yeah. And you come back here. Oh. Yeah. Whoa. Slippy. I think this is the way I came. Ba, ba, ba. Do. Cute little thing. Yep, there's the marsh. This is definitely the way I came. And the reason I'm filming this whole trail is it might give people an idea too, like the whole loop and like how to do it so they don't go off the beaten path, so to speak. I really like this boardwalk part. I think this is really cool that they did this. It just shows the effort that they're making to kind of get people to come out and enjoy some nature. It's just nice to see. It's just, I really like that. Oh, this little stream, I think that is just so cool. There's something about these little streams in these trails that I just find so neat. I forgot to time how long this took me, but you can basically gauge it for how long this video is, for how long it took me to do this trail. Because I didn't really stop. I just kind of kept going, so that amount of time, whatever it is, I'll find out when I piece this all together. Oh, there's one of them like cameras for animal watching or whatever. See, I there's something about this tree, I don't know what it is, but I freaking love it. It's just looks like an old witch's tree or something. Like you cast a spell under this beast. Wingardium Leviosa! No, it didn't work. Maybe it's because I didn't have a wand. I don't know. But it is. Honestly, like in all seriousness, that is like cool, just like standalone tree. Absolutely gorgeous. I bet you it's beautiful in the summer. Do-do-do. This is the perfect little trail. It really is. I cannot get over this. And I can't get over that I never knew about it. Thank you, Marilyn Ma, for the suggestion. Always eternally grateful to people who give me suggestions on places to go, because there's places that I don't know about, and yeah, it's just always nice exploring new places. Because as much as I like frequenting the same trails from time to time, it's always nice to see new areas. Okay, look at the state of this. The little moss, and then you got, oh my gosh, look at that. That's such a cool, I just love that. Yeah, I think weird things are cool, okay? All right, we are reaching the end of the trail. We are back here at the rink over the first little bridge. And we are back. Now that was so cool. I loved every second of that. All right, you guys, so that was the Kensington Nature Trail right here in beautiful Kensington, Prince Edward Island, Canada. I definitely recommend coming and trying this trail out. It's not too long, but it's not too short. It's actually like just the perfect size if you want to get out for a quick hike, get into nature a little bit. That's not too far out of town. I highly recommend this, and yeah, so that's about it for today, you guys. Until next time, this is the West End Boy signing out. Peace. Love you guys.